In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize blog subscription emails in HubSpot. We're going to walk through where these settings live so you can confidently control how your subscribers receive updates from your blog. This process is quick once you know where to look, and along the way, I'll point out what each area is for so you can make smart choices for your audience. Start on the HubSpot homepage. If you've just logged in, you'll be on a dashboard view. Before moving on, make sure you're using a user with permission to edit content and email settings. If you don't have access, an admin on your account can grant it. From the homepage, look for the settings gear icon in the main navigation. This is your gateway to everything behind the scenes. Click the gear to open the settings area. Think of this as the control room for your website, emails, and blog. Most of the foundational options you'll need live here. Inside settings, open the content section in the left sidebar. The content area groups together the tools that affect how your site and communications appear and behave. Since blog subscription emails are generated from your blog settings, this is the right place to manage them. Next, choose blog within content. This brings you to the blog configuration panel. If you manage more than one blog, select the blog you want to work with from the blog dropdown, so your changes apply to the correct place. Here, you can review and adjust the elements that shape your subscription emails. You'll typically see options to pick the subscription type your readers can join, like instant notifications or digests, and to align those with your publishing frequency. You can set the branding details that appear in the inbox, such as the sender name and address, and craft subject lines that reflect your voice. You'll also find controls to choose or fine-tune the email template so the layout, logo, colors, and footer details match your brand guidelines. If compliance matters to your organization, this is also where you can confirm that consent and unsubscribe settings reflect your policies. As you refine these settings, aim for clarity and consistency. Keep sender details recognizable, use concise subject lines, and make sure the preview text reinforces the value of the update. When you're done, save your changes. It's a good idea to preview the email and send yourself a test to confirm links, images, and formatting look right on both desktop and mobile. That's it. From the homepage, into settings, then content, and finally blog, you now know exactly where to configure and polish your blog subscription emails in HubSpot.